Hi friends, let's try a quick breathing exercise together. It's called alternate nostril breathing. Sit comfortably and relax your shoulders. Bring your right hand up towards your nose. Bring down your index finger and your middle finger. Use your thumb to gently close your right nostril and inhale slowly through your left. Then close your left nostril with your ring finger, release the right, and exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Close it. Open the left and exhale through the left. This is one round, so let's do a couple more together at a slow and steady pace. Close your right nostril. Inhale slowly through your left. Close your left nostril. Exhale through your right. Inhale through your right nostril. Close your right. Exhale through your left. Take a deep breath in and out. Even just a minute of this practice can begin to shift how you feel. Notice how you're feeling now. This practice comes from ancient yogic traditions and is often called Nadi Shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing. It means clearing the channels, referring to balancing energy in the body between your left and right, calming and energizing. In more modern terms, scientific evidence has shown to regulate your nervous system, reduce anxiety, improve focus, and bring a sense of balance, especially when you're feeling overwhelmed or scattered. You don't need much time to do this. It takes you about a minute, maybe practicing a minute to 5 minutes. And just a few rounds can make a difference. So try it at the start of your day, maybe before a stressful moment, or as a reset. It's great for me as a therapist to use in between sessions to really regulate my nervous system. And just simply notice what shifts for you. Keep breathing and give this a try sometime. Thanks so much, and see you soon.